here's a little mindset shift for you. Something what I felt when I truly accepted it and understood it, that felt like quite a lot of weight was lifted off my own shoulders. That everything is work. The days where I used to dread and start to hate my job, that anytime I heard work, or anytime you hear work, you think, it's going to be boring, it's going to be hard, ain't going to be enjoyable, it's shit. Already put it down on your day. You've only just woken up. But in fact, work is everything. It's not just your 9 till 5. Yeah, you work your 9 to 5 because you've got to look after your family, you've got to support yourself, you've got to support your loved ones, you've got to eat, you'll survive, which is fine. But that isn't just work. Work is everything you do, from waking up in the morning at the right time, to going to bed at the right time, to hitting the gym, eating the right foods, cooking, looking after yourself, recovery, relationships, how you deal with your friends and family, your loved ones, your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, even your children. It's all work. You work on your relationship skills, your social skills, your talking skills, work skills. If it's health, if it's mind, if it's money, everything is work. So you want to twist it at 180 and start enjoying work, because it's everything. Because I know so many people who are in the wrong headspace, and as soon as you say work, we're like, oh. Work is everything. Work is fantastic and it will never stop. I'll be working till the day I die. I'll be in my prime till the fucking day I die. And so should you. So remember, work is everything, man. From waking up in the morning, excited, proud, ready to kick ass. Work is everything. So take that on. That's a nice, simple mindset shift, which once you start thinking about things you've got to do day to day, you start realising everything is work and it is enjoyable. And like I said, it took a lot of weight off my shoulders for sure. It made me think and feel more refreshing. My thoughts, my processes. So just, take that today, move it tomorrow. I think about it every day.